orange target. Who's shooting it this time?
Who's doing the honors?
I'm gonna make it blow. First try this time, David. Come on.
Plugged up.
You got them all set up in one shot. There you go. And what's the orange target in front?
That's just the label.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you're aiming for?
Yeah.
Batter up.
Oh my God!
Yeah! Oh my God.
Let's go look at the radar.
Did you get that?
That was sweet.
All right, clean up. Oh, fuck.
It's water.
Yeah, everything. Everything. Holy fuck.
That's crazy.